What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today I am going to be working on the Grom clone again, the 125 110 from Red Fox Power Sports. Went ahead and ordered an exhaust to replace the current stock exhaust. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in a clip of the current sound, and once I install the new exhaust, I'll put a clip of the second sound, compare them side by side, probably at the end of the video. But I'll give you a quick walk around as to what needs to be done to remove the exhaust. All right, so here goes the Grom clone exhaust, which the pipe ends up right back here behind the turn signal, which is not a good thing, even though it points away from it. Just like the Grom, it connects right under the engine. And here goes the new exhaust. I just pieced it together. This exhaust does not sit there. It'll actually sit right down here. It'll give it a little bit more of an aesthetic look, make it a little bit more aggressive looking I guess that's my opinion. But to remove the exhaust, obviously you have the two bolts right underneath. Follow the pipe right behind here. There's a clamp which disconnects the pipe from the muffler or the mid pipe. There's another bolt right here that I have to remove to take off this whole bottom portion. After I remove this clamp and disconnect the top and bottom half, there is a bolt right there, as you can see. And there's another one back here which I have to get from underneath. I'll take this cover off because I'm no longer going to need this whole setup. But I'm going to start doing that so you guys can see the steps. I went ahead and put the gasket back with the two bolts, which are 10 millimeters. The springs are on. I did because this is a boom from Red Fox Power Sports. It's not a Grom. I had to fabricate, or not fabricate, but come up with an idea for a bracket to reach the 10 millimeter bolt behind the foot peg for the rear passenger, which holds on to the clamp perfectly. It is touching down here, but not a big deal. Ain't nobody gonna be touching that either. People tend to take this pipe and bend it. Kind of makes it look ugly. For me, aesthetically, I don't want to do that. The pipeline itself looks pretty good, so I'm actually satisfied with that. So that's gonna conclude today's video. Comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. If you have any ideas of other upgrades for these booms, let me know, share them. And we'll keep going with these videos. Until next time, guys, y'all have a wonderful day.